So if you have backed up phone contacts onto one Google account and you want to transfer them to another Google account, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get to do it. So go to that Google account where the backed up phone contacts are. So this one, mine is that one that you're seeing. So tap on manage Google account. Remember, the backed up phone contacts are onto this Google account. So tap where you see people and sharing, then over here get to choose contacts, get to tap onto contacts. Let's wait for it to load. So then tap on stay on web. So when you get over here, here's the list of the contacts that are backed up. So if you want to transfer them to another Google account, what you're going to do is to tap on the export option. Remember that we are onto a phone, so you're going to choose the option of vCard for Android or iOS. So you get to choose that option, then tap export these contacts, then tap download. So the whole catalog of contacts is going to be downloaded. Once it's done being downloaded, you get to turn back and look for the downloaded file of contacts. So tap here, then just now, wow, so here's the list of the contacts that have been downloaded. So you then tap on import. Once you're done tapping on import, get to choose that that Google account that you want to transfer the backed up contacts to. So you then choose that Google account, like the one you're seeing here, then tap import. So that's how basically you can get to transfer backed up phone contacts to another Google account. Thank you.